Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Start by accessing settings and choosing apps and notifications. Now scroll down just a bit, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features. I will go with location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Keep Notes to this. And select one of them. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, allow all the time, so when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Keep Notes just gained access to this device location. But you can always pick any feature and then any app and select See All Sound Recorder Permissions instead. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!